where upgrade of the NICU. And this is the Narayanpet Active School. Left side is the school desk. Right side toilet is almost about to be completed. 2 government schools are being provided with 200 school desks and some 25 toilets are being constructed. Argo van, Secretariat Club, Kalyani, wonderful project, Kalyani. So this is an ortho van which is actually benefits they do free orthopedic surgeries. So that is being inaugurated this year. Then Greater Hyderabad, this is their Happy School project. Yeah, baby warmer, Secretariat Sunrise. Anybody Secretariat Sunrise, please get recognized. So this is again with the CSR. They have provided I think 40 or maybe 100 baby warmers. So the baby warmers are useful for all the sick children. So that is when done with the CSR. Then another CSR project is called biopsy auto cutter. So for doing the biopsy, generally it's a slow process. Manually they cut it. It takes long time for biopsy processing. So this machine helps in faster auto cutting and biopsy results. This is a 50 lakh project done by the Secretariat Sunrise. Then Lake District, Mainabad and Gajwel Club. Yeah, wonderful project. They have distributed 300 bicycles at Gajwel along with Lake District, Mainabad. Then Upani, so this is the project, the Banjara Hills, you can please get recognized. It's a wonderful project. It came in the magazine also. So where I think hundreds of youth are being skilled and through BPOs and places the BPOs. Alambana, Hyderabad Maverick, nobody is there from Hyderabad Maverick. Vanasri, Devavar, it's another wonderful project. So where actually they do the door-to-door, go to all these youth, basically children who died in the accident or orphans. They do the monthly, they provide the rations, they visit them, they take care of them like a parent. 75 children are being taken care right now. This is Hyderabad North, sir, and Hyderabad North. This is a 2000 square foot building, 20 lakh building is constructed at Jetchala Government School. Sailikpuri, this is your pet project, madam. This is where, I think this is the Merit Government School where you get a digital computer lab along with the teacher salaries for 3 years. And like this in Hyderabad, 10 schools are being set up. This year or 10 more are being set up. 20 are being set up this year. Hyderabad Allied, this is Chellapalli Agriculture Colony. So the advantage of Miyawaki forest is it grows very fast. Within a year, it becomes a forest. So this is a 30 lakh project where in the 1 acre land, the Hyderabad Allied team has done it. Okay, Hyderabad East today, the wonderful project. Yeah, 20, you can see 20 visually challenged children are being taken care end to end. And Pushkart, Lake District, Mainabad, we do Talaka level to Kalpi Pushkart is around like 15-20 different clubs to Kalpi, close to 300 to 500 Pushkart distributed. Yeah, another mega project is pediatric heart surgery. Around close to 38 mandiki surgery cheyaru. Lake District, Mainabad, around 50 lakh spending. Hyderabad legend, Mohan or anybody from Hyderabad legend. LPG is 3 boxes. The advantage is Mohan is 3 boxes, 1 hour bottom the technology. LPG is 3 boxes instant guide. So every day 2 hours time save అవుతుంది. Plus వాళ్ళ హెల్త్ కూడా ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతుంది. I think 300 or 400 PC boxes ఇస్తారు. హైదరాబాద్ 500 bicycles, ప్రతి క్లబ్కి 5 bicycles చొప్పున 500 bicycles across తెలంగాణ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేశారు. కంగ్రాచులేషన్ నరేంద్ర గారు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ లీగ్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ మైనాబాద్ 2030 చెట్లు నాటారు భద్రాచలం ఏరియాలో ఫారెస్ట్లో. యా దిస్ ఇస్ ద బిగ్ మెగా ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఎంతమంది చూసారు బిల్డింగ్ హైదరాబాద్లో? ఎంతమందికి తెలుసు? ప్లీజ్ విజిట్. It's a 10 crore building is being donated to Lake District Mainabad. Thanks to Uday Pilani. I think I don't think he's here. Uday Pilani గారి ఎఫర్ట్స్ కి మనందరం కూడా కరతాళంలో అందరూ కూడా చాలా అప్రిషియేటెడ్. 10 కోట్ల బిల్డింగ్ లేక్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ మైనాబాద్ డొనేట్ చేశారు. అందులో అది 4 ఫ్లోర్ అరౌండ్ 10,000 15,000 స్క్వేర్ ఫీట్ ఉంది. ఎవరైనా కానీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఉదయ్ పిల్లని గారితో మాట్లాడదు ఇక్కడ ప్రాజెక్ట్. So that's all, friends. Thank you very much.